Cap 26 here, just do tips and hobbies, and a little orientation on the Roku remote. And this is the home button right here, and this is the right to left button, up and down. This is the OK button to actuate any function that you want to do, and this is the pause button. This is fast forward. This is reverse forward. This is reload. These buttons are self-explanatory. I'm going to make a chart with all the names on these buttons for you. So look for that in the next part of this video. Thank you for joining me with these videos. I really enjoy your company. And please rate and subscribe at the end of the video. And you have a nice day.